We are ENDO KOGYO Company Limited. Founded in 1935 in Tsubame, Niigata, a town celebrated worldwide for its tradition of metalworking craftsmanship. Through decades of change, we have shaped a resilient spirit, challenging adversity. Guided by this spirit, we have continued to create niche industrial products, like spring balancers and cable reels. Designed, developed, and manufactured entirely in-house to meet our customers' unmet needs, all in pursuit of uncompromising quality. Our manufacturing philosophy goes back to the early 1900s, to Matsujiro Endo, a master of hammered copperware. In Tsubame, where the craft flourished, Matsujiro, the second generation of Shogakudo, refined his skills, earning acclaim for his exceptional techniques, innovative ideas, and elegant designs. In 1914, when the production of Western-style metal cutlery began to take off in Tsubame, Matsujiro shifted his focus from copperware to Western-style cutlery and established Endo Matsujiro Shoten, the predecessor of Endo Kogyo. He was a pioneer introducing machinery and initiating mass production of tea saucers using a manual press. With the establishment of the Tsubame Cutlery Industry Association and the beginning of a strategic partnership with Mitsui & Company, Matsujiro continued to demonstrate his outstanding leadership guiding the business. In 1935, Endo Matsujiro Shoten was reborn as Endo Kogyo Company Limited, aiming to expand exports of Western cutlery to Europe. However, the outbreak of World War II soon disrupted this vision. As Japan's economy shifted toward military production, manufacturing cutlery became impossible. Despite these early challenges, and with support from companies like Ikegai Tekosho, Endo Kogyo began manufacturing lathes and milling machines. After the war, Endo Kogyo was designated a reparations factory and forced to suspend operations for 7 years. Matsujiro Endo passed away suddenly at the age of 68. His legacy was carried forward by Sangemon Tano, a close friend and key contributor to Endo Kogyo's founding. A new era had begun. What is the future for Endo Kogyo? As the reparations designation was lifted, Endo Kogyo searched for a new direction. One day, an engineer discovered a drawing of a circular saw cutting machine made by Komatsu Limited. Inspired, the team decided to produce it themselves. The production of circular saw cutting machines progressed, which soon expanded to include rail cutting machines for the national railways. Then, in 1954, alongside this development, Endo Kogyo introduced our flagship product, the spring balancer. It gained popularity among domestic automotive manufacturers, capturing over 90% of the domestic market. Yet, financial challenges persisted. At age 43, Mutsuo Endo became president. Around 1970, the Nixon shock and the strong yen caused exports of Western cutlery to plummet, once again placing Endo Kogyo in a difficult position. In search of stability amid economic turbulence, Mutsuo turned his sights to a new venture, one that could ensure consistent production beyond the volatility of Western cutlery and cutting machines. He often said, small and medium-sized companies must compete in niche markets. Combine several niches to build a strong business. Endo Kogyo possessed the expertise to design and manufacture balancers, a niche success that laid the foundation for developing innovative new products. Air hoists, cable reels, hose reels, motorized reels, and self-locks. In 1985, Endo Kogyo celebrated its 50th anniversary with a new headquarters building. Performing well in Japan's bubble economy, Endo Kogyo achieved record sales and profits, thriving once again by mastering niche markets. In 1993, leadership passed from Mutsuo Endo to his son, Koroku. Inspired by customer conversations, Koroku developed a crusher in 1995, a new business to replace circular saw cutting machines. Soon, ENDO KOGYO began full-scale sales of large crushers for recycling plants. From small to large machines, ENDO KOGYO built a full lineup to meet diverse customer needs. Looking ahead, ENDO KOGYO reorganized into 3 divisions, each with its own strategy and product development plan. To become a globally recognized top manufacturer, ENDO KOGYO strengthened overseas sales of spring balancers and air hoists starting in the early 1990s, beginning from Southeast Asia. We launched knockdown production of spring balancers at United Faith in China. We established ENDO KOGYO India in Pune, India. We established ENDO KOGYO Shanghai in China. With our ability to develop products that meet the needs of the times and our cultivated technical expertise, we now export to 57 countries and regions. ENDO KOGYO is now known around the world as ENDO for quality. Today, ENDO KOGYO is embracing new challenges in 3 key areas: material handling equipment, power supply equipment, and environmental machine, all while keeping pace with a rapidly changing world. In the material handling division, we've developed the Smart Balancer series, integrating electronic control into traditional balancers. As labor shortages intensify at manufacturing sites, we're offering advanced handling solutions to reduce reliance on manual labor. To meet rising demand for safer workplaces, with no suspended overhead equipment, we're also developing mobile lift balancers that can be easily moved around the workspace. In the power supply division, we've created a reel specifically designed for land-based power supply systems at ports, now expanding globally from the port of Los Angeles. This initiative helps reduce carbon dioxide emissions from docked ships, contributing to the goal of reducing carbon emissions. Anticipating the rise of renewable energy and electric vehicles, we're also responding to diverse power supply needs across industries. In the environmental machine division, we provide crushers and molding machines for biomass applications. By integrating IoT technology to boost productivity, we are reducing energy consumption. As a dedicated environmental machinery manufacturer, we continue to take on the challenge of realizing a sustainable circular society. In 2025, Koroku Endo stepped down as president, and his son Takashi Endo assumed leadership as the new president. Never stop, keep evolving toward a better future. With the spirit passed down since our founding and our unwavering technical expertise, we aim to become the global leader in niche markets. At Kanayama Shrine in Tsubame, Niigata, there is a poem composed by Matsujiro. Let us learn from the wisdom and achievements of our ancestors and pave the way for future generations.